Biden protests that are going on right now. Because they just not, you can't put two sentences together. He's got to get out and make a statement. Because the colleges are being overrun in this country. The anti-Semitism, all of the problems are being overrun. He's going to ran to the Charlotte. No Charlotte. They're going to send a statement. Big, they say, and they understand that. Charlotte goes peanuts compared to what they're looking at. The whole country is up in arms. Breaking into colleges, knocking the hell out of Columbia University. I mean, they took over. I know the building very well. They took over the building. That is a big deal.
एक मिनट है